been a little bit of a work in progress, but I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you how sweet this bed looks. Getting there. It is a big girl for sure.
Should like tack it up and bring it outside and actually stare at it.
I know. Yeah, as soon as he buttons that up, I want to drive it. Plan to put bigger tires in this thing, so kind of like a military style little cutout. This is all tied into here. Basically gonna bolt that there. This bed is 100% removable. Not too bad. Ended up plasma cutting everything on this for license plate, obviously the light mounts, and of course you need that guy right there. So we got this kind of like a step. Use that as a step to get up on there. Still got a little bit of cleanup to do on the edges. We're just rounding the edges over. Not every day we get to MIG weld, so it's kind of a fun little project. Just gotta weld these guys in. These are just little supports we put in. But we're getting there. Tacky. Not bad, right? Oh, almost just got a hole in my slipper. You'll have all this. Yeah. Oh, you're just holding it down? Yeah. It's gonna burn a hole in your shoe? Oh, it's fine. Yo, Max is running good today. Last piece is cutting out, man. It's probably one of the longest truck projects I think I ever did. I'll insert some clips how this thing used to look, man. This truck was, she was pretty rough. This thing made it all the way to Arizona from upstate New York, and we're gonna get it rolling again. Had to get rid of the sleeper. The thing was junk, it was rotten. Time to go.
What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
I'm trying to put a toolbox on it. It's a little ugly right now. We do vinyl wraps in-house, and this thing is gonna get wrapped, and it's gonna look sick. But right now, how you doing over there?
Just, 3 on tape. Had to save these. These are sick.
Little Kodiak badges. Inside's all painted. We got the RJ-proof back window. Can't break that. Got the hood over here. Got some paint on it, primer, sanding, all kinds of fun things. So this is the weekend project. I think you're good. This is how we get our truck in and out. Just moving around with the forklift. Nice. I know. All right, cool. Want to drive it out? Or want me to drive it out? Feels funny, right? Feels funny seeing it done. All right, man, bring her out. You want to go over behind the building? Looks a little better than it did.
Not even done yet. It's already turning heads.
Finally. Not a bad little metal hauler, right?
Not a bad metal hauler.
We
It's
need-
the Glamis hauler.
It's one of those things.
It's a hauler.
It's a hauler. We're gonna haul shit with it. Pretty excited. I don't really have much to say. I'm just like super excited this thing's almost done. We all put a lot of hours into it, basically after work and on the weekends. So it feels good to have a shop truck. Looks sick. So if you guys like these kinds of videos, got a comment. I never get a ton of views on them, it seems, but I mean, honestly, we just enjoy changing it up and it's always something different. So we got tons of other projects coming. Got the last piece sitting here on the water jet. Going a water jet basically just makes a mess in your shop, which we're learning now, but things working damn good. So see you guys in the next video. We'll probably be getting the flatbed painted up and doing maybe a vinyl wrap on the truck. So see you in the next one, guys.